Dear learners, you are going to learn some more Arabic words in this lecture. These words are related to ordinary life situations. Arabic words related to ordinary life situations. So the first word in this line I will give you is mamarqiz. Mamarqiz. It starts with mim, mamarqiz, mamarqiz. You have learnt other words like marad, mariz. Now mamarqiz. Mamarqiz. Mamarqiz is nurse, male nurse. Next word that you are going to learn is mamarqiza. Mamarqiza is female nurse. Mamarqiza. Now another very important Arabic word you will learn is muhandis. Muhandis. What is muhandis? Muhandis is engineer. Muhandis. Try to say with me. Muhandis. Engineer. Next Arabic word is muhasib. The word is starting with alphabet mim. Muhandis, muhasib. Many of you are familiar with the word hisab. Hisab is accounting. Muhasib is accountant. Now the next Arabic word in this line is shurti. Shurti is policeman. Shurti is policeman. So not very difficult to memorize if you practice it and follow me. Shurti. There is sheen, ra, to. Sheen, ra, to, ya. Shurti. I think you are able to follow it. To, te. A lot of difference between that. Te, to. Shurti, not shurti. Shurti. And again, ya with tashdid. Shurti. Is it difficult? Not much if you practice. Now the next word, very simple. Perhaps you have learned earlier, but again I am giving you this word so that you can learn it easily and be comfortable with Arabic language. Next word is tajir. Tajir means businessman. Tajir means businessman. Tajir. Now the next word is amil. Amil is worker. And amal. What is the meaning of amal? Amal is action. Amil, somebody who. Amal is work, action, work. And amil, somebody who performs the work or worker. So amal is work. You are getting two words with amil, amal. Amal is work. Amil is worker. Simple. Amal, work. Amil, worker. Now the next word is sa'iq. With qaf, not kaf. Always be careful. Kaf, and qaf. Qaf. So the word is sa'iq. Sa'iq is driver. Saqa yasuqu means to drive. Sa'iq is driver. Now the next Arabic word is سيارة سيارة سيارة. سيارة means car. سيارة سيارة. In Arabic, سار يسير means to move from one place to another. سيارة, something that moves from one place to another at a fast speed. سيارة. So it's making sense, سار يسير, to move, and سيارة, vehicle that has movement on a fast pace. سيارة. So سيارة, car. سيارة, car. سارة with sin, yara, sayr. Sayr, many people, sayr. Sayr is a word that many of you might be familiar with. Sayr. With that root word, you are getting sayyara, that is car. Now, dear learners, the next Arabic word that you are going to learn is muwazzaf. Muwazzaf is staff. Muwazzaf is staff. Wazifa is job. Muwazzaf or employment. Muwazzaf is somebody who has got employment, is working. Somebody who is working. So muwazzaf in Arabic is for staff. Now, the next Arabic word in this line is mudir. Some of you might have heard the word idara. In Arabic, administration is called idara, and mudir is somebody who runs the administration, means director of a company, mudirul sharika, director of an institute, mudirul jami'a, muassasa, mudirul kulliya. Mudir is the head and director, mudir. Another word you have learnt, idara. Idara is administration. Mudir, administrator, director. Right. So it's you are getting, in fact, two words by learning this one. Now the next word I am going to teach you is funduq. Funduq means hotel. Funduq. In Arabic you can say هذا فندق, this is a hotel. ذلك فندق, that is a hotel. So funduq, but qaf, always remember fa and qaf. Funduq is hotel. Next word related to this one is mat'am. And mat'am is restaurant. So hotel, restaurant, very much related. Here funduq, hotel, mat'am is restaurant. Ta'am is Arabic word. Ta'am is food. Mat'am, a place where you are going to have food. So restaurant, of course, is a place where you go and eat. That's why it's called mat'am with ta'am. Now, dear learners, the next word is bustan. Bustan means garden. There is another Arabic word, hadiqa. Most of the time used to convey the same meaning. Hadiqa, but there is a difference. Bustan is garden. Hadiqa, a garden which has been surrounded by wall, which is wall from all the sides. So hadiqa and bustan. Please try to remember both of these words. Bustan, hadiqa. Bustan is garden. Now the next Arabic word is very important, in fact, important for everybody. You should learn always. You should focus on it because it's easy to remember and it's very important word. And the word is ma. Ma. In Arabic, what is the meaning of ma? Can you guess it? Ma is water. Ma is water. Water. Ma. Ma. Now the next Arabic word is ta'am. 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 Ta'am means food. Food. Mat'am, I have told you, is hotel, a restaurant. Ta'am is food. So ta'am, mat'am. Ta'am means food, and mat'am a place where you are going to have food. So ta'am, here you have to remember this word ta'am, ta'am with correct pronunciation. Ta, ain, alif, mim. Ta'am means food. Food. Now the next Arabic word is shy. 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 What is the meaning of shy? If you apply your mind, in fact, you can understand very easily. You can guess it. Shy. Shy. Qahwa. Qahwa. Shy, isn't it? Shy is tea. Chai. Shy. Shy. Shy is tea. Tea. So for tea in Arabic, we have this word shy. And next word related to this one in Arabic, shy qahwa. Shy qahwa. Qahwa is coffee. Coffee. Shy is tea. Qahwa is coffee. Coffee. So it's very easy for you to remember, to memorize these two, because shy qahwa. Shy qahwa. Those tea and coffee. Ash-shay, we say in Arabic, ash-shay wal qahwa. Tea and coffee. Tea and coffee. Ash-shay wal qahwa. So qahwa also you have to, but qaf, not kaf, kahwa, no. Correct Arabic pronunciation is not kahwa. Correct Arabic pronunciation is qahwa. 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 Now the next Arabic word is shurba. Shurba is soup. Soup. Sheen. There is difference. Seen and sheen. Shore. Not so. Shurba. Now dear learners, you are going to learn another word related to this, and that is nadil. 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 Nadil means waiter. Waiter. Nadil. So, dear learners, in this lecture, you have learned so many important common Arabic words. Are they difficult? Not much difficult. If you just look at these words carefully, you will find that they are very much related to the words that you already know. For example, shy, qahwa. What is the difficulty in learning this? Because shy, qahwa, shy, chai or tea, qahwa is qahwa. Some people call it kahwa, but in Arabic is we call qahwa, qaf with qahwa. And similar other words, bustan, hadiqa, and many other words. You may face some difficulty sometimes in learning these words, but if you apply your mind and try to repeat these words, you will not only learn these words, but you will learn with correct pronunciation, and that is very important. In Arabic, pronunciation is really very important for you, because wrong pronunciation may give you a different meaning, a wrong meaning. So you have to be careful and practice all these words properly and learn Arabic language. Hope you are enjoying this learning. Ma'as salama.